So let's get started with the first question, everyone. We'll start with the 35 minutes of questions and then we'll move forward with the Q&A. Okay, beach mein we'll have discussions related to each of the questions on the screen right now so that we get to know more things than what is just on the screen. So Rituraj has started answering me the questions. Okay, very good. I'll start seeing the chats on my phone so that it becomes easier for me. Just a second. Somehow I can't refresh myself. Okay, I can. All right, good. Now I can. Half of you have still not liked the session. On your birthday, Abhishek. Very good. 31st October is the right answer. Well done. One of my best friend's birthday is also in October, but not on Rashtriya Ekta Divas. So the answer is 31st October, everyone. And let's go with the आंसर्स एक्सप्लेनेशन. इसमें ज्यादा कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है, बट हाँ डेफिनेटली एक एक्सप्लेनेशन है कि ये जो नेशनल यूनिटी डे है दैट इज बीन सेलिब्रेटेड, यू नो, रिसेंटली वी हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट, एंड ऑल्सो इट मार्क्स द बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ विच पर्सन? Birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This is important point number 1. Point number 2, he was India's first deputy prime minister and home minister also. And this day was introduced by the government of India in 2014 only, जैसे कि मैंने बोला recently. We also know Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as the Iron Man of India. Point number 4. Okay. So that's enough of information, I guess. Let me mark the answer for you people. Here we go. Let's go to question number 2. Calcium carbide reacts with water to produce which gas? You will be like, yes, suddenly chemistry का question यहाँ पे क्यों है? I'll tell you क्यों है. You will realize it very soon when you just answer after, after all of you answer, I'll tell you why. Okay, how many people? Sri Hari, it's not been released yet. They'll be releasing the data soon. Acetylene, Sameer. Okay, Bhopal gas can't dekho. Pratik is updated. Very good for letting us know, Pratik. Everyone correct. Option B. जो लोग option C ones, okay, option B ones need to check. Of course, ऑक्सीजन निकालेगा तब तो ये हमारे लिए अच्छा है ना, फिर वो न्यूज में क्यों आएगा? No, I mean jokes apart. This is related to one of the incidents which happened during Diwali. Okay, so Diwali में क्या हुआ? More than 60 people, especially children, were hospitalized in Bhopal due to injuries from the this carbon carbide guns. Okay, during this Diwali celebration. And calcium carbide formula, if you people know, CaC2, इसका combination, okay, led to what? Acetylene production with water, you know, carbon carbide with water. And इससे क्या हो गया? लोगों को obviously ये it's a odorless gas but it's highly flammable gas. So इसलिए ये बहुत बड़ा news में था. It's a incident. Okay, so you should know about this thing. As I always keep on saying, static GK questions don't come randomly. They always come because they were in news due to some reason. Question number 3. Highly combustible and unstable. Correct. I agree with you. Question number 3. The Suni Dam hydroelectric project is being developed on which river? Again, good question. You guys can try it and let me know your answer. And yes, don't feel bad about guessing here, okay? I mean, it's absolutely fine to guess and check what's the answer. You guys can see my camera properly, right? Wait a second. This is better. Orientation check. Question number 3. The Suni Dam hydroelectric project is being developed on the river Satluj. Okay. And please make a note of a word called NGT. NGT stands for National Green Tribunal. Okay. Which took this thing up. Okay. There was a complaint against illegal dumping around Satluj River. Okay. During the blasting done for this dam project in Shimla. सो इससे ये पूरा न्यूज में था कि ये डैम बनाने के लिए इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. नो 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 ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो दिस हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ ऑन सुनी डैम इज ऑन रिवर सतलुज. ओके फाइन. ये न्यूज में इसीलिए आया क्योंकि इसके खिलाफ कंप्लेन हो गई थी. ओके लेट्स गो. एंड वेयर इट इज प्रेजेंट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू नो. NGT का full form मैंने आपको बता दिया. I guess that will be enough. In case someone is thinking that how can I use these informations, or how will this help us in the GDPI stuff? So the thing is very simple. Here you have to just keep this at the back of the mind somewhere कि ये एक example है which is pretty much suitable to say or put when someone asks me कि India इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए क्या कर रहा है, इज इंडिया है यू ट्राइंग टू गो विद रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी. तो इसमें अगर आप ये एग्जांपल लिख दोगे ना कि आई नो अबाउट सनी डैम प्रोजेक्ट, देन दैट मेक्स इट वे मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. सो इसीलिए जब हम डिस्कस करते हैं तो वो हमारे साथ कुछ टाइम के लिए रह जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Right, Niranjan, thank you so much to whosoever did it. Just let me know. I'll also watch it. Question number 4. Which declaration was adopted during the 20th East Asia Summit? Okay, again, these kind of declarations are very important. हिस्ट्री से ही ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चलता आ रहा है, बिकॉज इन डिक्लेरेशंस में क्या होता है, किसी एक कंट्री की, जैसे यहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस दिख रहे हैं. सो इन एवरी डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस यू सी everyone coming into and mentioning about some aspects which are going wrong in that country. Let's say it's an East India Summit, East Asia Summit, so of course all these options are falling there. Okay, so except Manila, I guess. But then if I talk about the right answer is Kuala Lumpur. Oh, very good, Samir, thank you so much. Okay, so Kuala Lumpur is the right answer, Malaysia. एंड इस डेक्लेरेशन को अडॉप्ट क्यों किया गया था? दिस डेक्लेरेशन रीअफर्म्स सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कमिटमेंट टू पीस, स्टेबिलिटी, कोऑपरेशन एंड सो मेनी स्टफ एज दैट. मतलब बेसिकली जिसे हम कहते हैं ना माओ, मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, कुछ उस तरह की चीज होती है यहाँ पे भी. एंड या माओ से मुझे याद आया, guys, one more task for you people. Visit the XLRI website, okay, or you can visit the XLRI's Instagram page, where you people can go and check कि माओ किस किस चीज या किन किन बॉडीज के साथ XLRI ने इस ईयर 2025 में माओ साइन किया है. उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजों के साथ, लोगों के साथ किया है. तो आई कैन कंपाइल अ लिस्ट फॉर यू एज वेल इफ यू वांट, लेट मी नो. And if you guys can do it personally, you can just visit their page and see they have signed a memorandum of understanding with which all organizations and people. And then that can be a suitable question for you, and that can be an impressive point if you throw that during your GD or PI, right? So try that out. Okay, here the answer is Kuala Lumpur. Let's go to the 5th question quickly. Oh wow, nice. Okay, I'll watch her video. I have seen her videos. Okay, so thank you to her, and I thank you to you guys also that you people told me about it. I'll go and watch it for sure. Okay, यहाँ से तो मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है ना. Right now also I was like all ready for the class, but then again last moment मैंने विशाल का मैसेज देखा and I was like अरे उसको भी बता देती हूँ. He has been asking me for a long time now, so फिर मैं वहाँ बिजी हो गई and I was like oops, 11 तो बज गए. खैर, ये रेस्टलेसनेस तो होनी चाहिए एक एस्पिरेंट में भी, और एक उस पर्सन में जो उस एस्पिरेंट के पीछे लगा है कि भाई पढ़ना तो होगा, राइट? These are the last few days of your preparation, guys. Give your 100%, please. Okay? Yes, Samir. Okay. Tarang, if you don't mind, I'll take this question after 20 minutes once I finish all the questions, because I take Q&A every day. So Q&A always happens after the questions are done. Question number 5, let's go. The right answer is UNEP. UNEP stands for United Nations Environment Program. Now, how would you know it is about environment? Adaptation Gap Report titled Running on Empty. See, you guys can guess that running on empty what? Like running on empty, basically empty on our resources probably. Now see, this report warns, this is not related to just environment in a single-handed sense. It's actually showing that wealthy nations have failed to meet their climate finance promises, leaving the developing countries vulnerable. So this report highlights that we need to adapt finances, okay, in such a way that developing nations also kind of get some help from us, and from the resources being available or being utilized by the developed countries already. Thoda detail mein jaoge to you can understand better. And they have also told about the fact that adaptation is a lifeline. It's not a cost. Okay, that's a dialogue which I remember when I read about this thing before making this thing for you. So you can definitely go and search about it. COP30 जो ब्राजील में होने वाला है, right? तो that was the major concern there as well. 2035 तक हमारे nations की कुछ कुछ specific targets हैं which we should know, so that when someone asks about it, we can at least answer that effectively. If not in exact answers, we can say approximately wala answers. Okay, IQ Air report. What do you people think about it? It's highlighting underfunded efforts in many developing countries. Okay, so we have some answers. Bilkul Aryan, that's the right thing. BB Delhi. Delhi. Okay. Okay, I want to do it very bad, but I'm just skeptical कि मुझे करना चाहिए कि नहीं. वैसे this area actually does not fall here, but one of the options definitely is a place where the dialogue fits in. In fact, my like blazer also matches. कर दूं क्या एक बार? नहीं नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा. Okay, the answer is option A, Lahore. Okay, Lahore, Pakistan is ranked as the world's most polluted city with an AQI of 312. तो दिल्ली को पीछे छोड़ दिया है इसमें. And well, this one is majorly due to the vehicular emissions, industrial pollution, crop residue, and what all. सारे reasons तो पता ही है, right? कोई नहीं. नहीं नहीं, atom bomb नहीं पता होगा. So I was about to go with you people will definitely would be going with Delhi, looking at the IQ. I mean, sorry, the air report, but then AQI report, but then the answer here would be Lahore. Okay, let's go to question number 7. मैं क्या करने वाली थी? संप्रीत का इतना बड़ा क्या है? मैं डायलॉग मारने वाली थी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम लियारी. This has stayed with me, and probably I think I need to go back and watch it again. That is the only cure to this illness. Which ministry has achieved 3 Guinness World Records titles under nationwide campaign Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyan? Yes, Nology, that's actually true. That's the real number, keeps on going up and down. Let them be first. कितने बार ही first आते हैं बेचारे. Oh my God. Quite sarcastic. Yes, Ketan, that's true. So many A's, some D's as well. So A is not the right answer. This one is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay. यहाँ से तो आप, I know because of Nari you guys guessed woman, but what about Parivar? फैमिली वेलफेयर, राइट? हेल्थ एंड स्वस्थ नारी. देखो 2 पॉइंट्स है, ठीक है. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द राइट स्ट्रैटेजी ऑफ तुक्का मारो. ओके, इफ यू रियली वांट टू वर्क ऑन तुक्का मारो स्ट्रैटेजी, देन यू नीड टू नो दिस थिंग. स्वस्थ मीन्स हेल्थ, okay, and parivar means family. So you have 2 reasons why you would select option D over just 1 reason why you would select option A. So therefore the answer is option D. And no, this is important. Listen to me carefully. The 3 Guinness World Record titles, okay, what are they? You need to know about it. Okay, this record includes most people registered for a healthcare platform in 1 month itself. Most people registered for a healthcare program in just a month. It also includes the most people signed up for breast cancer screening online in just 1 week. And there's another record which is most people signed up for vital signs screening online again in 1 week at a state level. So it's like people coming up themselves and trying to, get checked. That is one of the reasons, 3 reasons of getting 3 different Guinness World Records. Okay. Hi, very good achievement in terms of digital health innovation and community participation. So again, this is a very valid, proper example you should remember in your mind, because जब कोई बोले ना कि जैसे India is not doing things, or do you really think India is developing? तो whatever your personal views are, you can say that later, but come up with examples mentioning कि कोई अगर आपके सामने नहीं कर रहा है तो उसको काउंटर करने के लिए आपके पास हमेशा कुछ होना चाहिए, राइट? तो नहीं बोलने का तो हमारे पास बहुत सारा रीजन है, बट हाँ बोलने के लिए हमारे पास रीजन हमें याद नहीं है, तो दैट इज द रीजन आई एम कंडक्टिंग दिस सेशन, सो दैट यू रिमेंबर इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 एवरीवन. ओके स्नेहा, दैट्स ट्रू एक्चुअली. गुड हिंदी से आधे आंसर्स पता चल जाएंगे. पॉपुलेशन इतनी ज्यादा है कि रिकॉर्ड अपने आप बन जाते हैं इंडिया में. Okay. All right. This one is nice. Exercise drone coverage. This question, the reason of keeping this question right now is because of a person. When did this happen? Recently, I think in China. Yeah, a person went to China and she was detained for a very long period of time, and then I think she was allowed to go to some other country she was traveling. So she was traveling from India to some other country, and there was a layover in China. And there was an incident like that. If you people have read about it or seen it on Instagram, very viral on Instagram, that this girl said that the Chinese official said Arunachal Pradesh is in India. It's not in India. Okay, get yourself a passport of China instead. So that's why the answer here is Arunachal Pradesh, and that's why I gave you this question, because Arunachal Pradesh is very much in news. By the way, ये जो exercise drone kavach है, that was done in Arunachal Pradesh, okay, in the month of September actually. But this came into, I just deliberately kept it because I didn't wanted to miss out on this news. Yeah, she had a passport birthplace in Arunachal Pradesh. ये controversy सुनी थी. Yes. So that's why, because I have been seeing this, that they always try to keep these highlighted issues up in the questions. तो जब हम लोग पढ़ ही रहे हैं तो उसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं, right? Okay, let's go guys. Question number 9. Speed up. Okay. Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? अरुणाचल प्रदेश के लोगों को स्टेपल वीजा देते. यस आर्यन, दिस हैपेंड इन नवंबर, करेक्ट. बट देन एज आई टोल्ड ये भी जो ड्रोन कवच वाली चीज है, दिस वाज इन सितंबर. बट द मोमेंट आई वाज फेचिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, आई वाज लाइक ओके नो, आई शुड डिस्कस इट, क्योंकि अब किस मोमेंट में मैं कब क्या भूल जाऊंगी, देयर इज नो सेंस. They also didn't have athletes from AP and Ladakh sticker visa in Asia Games as well. Correct, Pratik. Wow, I have right answers in the chat. Very few, but right. Very few right answers, but yes. नाम के साथ जगह बिल्कुल मैच नहीं करती है, but yes, it's option B, everyone. Goa it is. Okay. So Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary is in Goa. It's in. Okay, you people must be laughing कि यार गोवा में wildlife sanctuary भी है. Have you guys ever visited this? By the way, Eastern Goa में पड़ता है ये. I have never been to Goa. It's like a very weird thing, but I've been to so many countries but never visited Goa yet. So Goa State Board of Wildlife has recommended that proposal for iron ore handling uh, would be, allowed only under certain circumstances, and that's why this was under news that yes, people were kind of fighting that नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. पहले तो इसका नाम था मोलेम गेम सेंचुरी, but then they later renamed it to Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, let's go. Question number 10. Who is the author of the book Above and Beyond, released in October 2025? मुझे लगा सिर्फ बीच है. Had to be in Goa. Why, Ketan? You had a reason for that. Tell us. Sanguim. Party place with Sanskari name. Okay, Meda. Okay, logic लगा लिया आपने. Very nice. Shiv Kumar Mohanka types Sameer. And others also go with A, D, B. Quite a mixed set of Vikram Seth. Okay, Above and Beyond, ये जो book है, this is a book on what, by the way? This book is about exploring, इसका पूरा नाम है Above and Beyond, Exploring Amazing World of Aviation. This book is authored by Shiv Kumar Mohanka. The name written is right. Okay, he is the DIG of our Central Industrial Security Force, CISFK. and this is a big book which showcases the India's aviation journey, highlights its achievements, its dreams, and everything like that. He has served for 30 years, okay, Mr. Shiv Kumar Mohanka. So therefore उन्होंने बहुत detailed view दिया है Indian aviation sector के बारे में, and this book was released on 7th of October by Union Minister Ram Mohan Naidu, who is the you know him, right? Minister of Civil Aviation. And इससे ज्यादा कुछ जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. Let's go to the next question. Which state government has launched Shraddhanjali scheme for transport of people who pass away outside state? Okay, this one is a serious issue, guys. It's a good initiative by this state. This government has launched this scheme to provide complete assistance for dignified transportation of mortal remains of the people from this city, I mean, from this state who die outside the state. So this scheme was, oh, very nice. I see India coming in. Mm-hmm. Was it Assam? Yes, it was. Assam is the right answer, everyone. So basically, this scheme covers students and the youth in low income jobs outside Assam, ensuring their logistical, legal, and procedural support, in case there is anything bad which happens with them who are a part of, like, what do you call Assam, but they are currently living outside Assam, and due to some reason they are like no more, so their dead bodies and other things, their mortal remains are transferred back, and every monetary assistance and help, logistic assistance is provided by the government itself. So this is a new plan, not been done by any other state, so you guys can remember this. Okay, question number 12. Where was India's first commercial electric truck battery swapping and charging station inaugurated? ट्रक है, ट्रक. ट्रक को ध्यान में रख के आंसर दीजिएगा, ट्रक को ध्यान में रख के आंसर दीजिएगा. Tiasha has given me an answer. Hi Tiasha. Arushi, Jayant. Okay, I see your answers, guys. Let's go. अतर बी लाइक, मैम उससे पहले पूछे, उससे पहले मैं ही नितिन गडकरी बोल देता हूँ. कहीं ना कहीं आंसर में तो रहेगा ही, बिल्कुल रहेगा, क्योंकि वो यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवेज है. He inaugurated India's first commercial electric truck battery swapping and charging station in Sonipat, Haryana. That's the right answer, option B. Very nice, very good, very good. Okay. इंडिया के फर्स्ट हैं ये सारी चीजें, तो इट वुड मेक अ डिफरेंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. हु वॉन द 2025 नोबेल प्राइज इन लिटरेचर? वेरी वेरी हार्ड नेम्स. इसे प्रोनाउंस कैसे करना है? Han Kang, Lazelo Krasnohorkai, Olga Tokarzuk, Peter Handke. Han Kang, are you sure, Anshi? It's about literature. So I give you a small homework, okay? I give you a small homework, that is, search all these four options and tell me what have these people done, okay? This is the right answer for us, Laszlo, okay? But other than that, I want you people to read about all of these options and let me know, okay? वैसे you guys should know about this, that Nobel Prizes are announced by which academy? Do you people know that? इस साल October 9th को like this was released. Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences. Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences announced the Nobel Prize in Literature to Laszlo. Laszlo is a Hungarian author, and he was awarded this, because of his work, which was Santango. Really? उसकी latest काम, I think, is okay, I can't pronounce, these are very hard words for me, but I remember the spelling. It's HERSCHT, Hersit, if I'm not wrong. And I just know about this. इतना मुझे याद है कि his works are predominantly around exploring art in the middle of terror. So इसलिए he is very famous. By the way, the people who were saying Hang Kang, South Korea के हैं Hang Kang, last year मिला था उनको, ठीक है? So don't confuse with the person who got it in 2024. Olga को पीस का मिला था. Very nice. Okay. Thank you so much everyone for adding so much. In the chat box, you people really make it a good discussion house. Now let's go. Question number 14. Where was the third edition of International Purple Festival inaugurated? Purple Festival. 10 marks for pronunciation. बिल्कुल. मुझे चाहिए. Athar be like, आज मैम इस इस स्टेट के पीछे पड़ गई है. Yes, you would feel so. It's right, guys. It's Goa. Okay, the third edition of International Purple Festival was held in Goa, but the most important thing is to know what is Purple Festival. It's actually India's first international and inclusive festival which is celebrating PWD, that is person with disability. Okay, this is basically focusing on empowerment, accessibility to them, their social integration. So इसे purple event कह रहे हैं. तो kind of relate the color with the people and frame it in your brain. Purple. Okay, question number 15, everyone. National Cyber Security Awareness Month. मैंने बोला था in the beginning of the session only, I have a stupid question whose answer options are also very easy. You know that we are working for the month of October, so it has to be October, right, Chirag? Absolutely. But then this is not important. The important fact which we will discuss about the cyber security thing is that who observes this? Okay, who observes this? What do you think? This is observed by which body? बाय द वे, इस पूरे मंथ को हम नेशनल साइबर सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस मंथ कहते हैं, राइट, अक्टूबर को. एंड इसमें ग्लोबली सिर्फ इंडिया ही नहीं, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स भी हमारे साथ पार्ट ले रहा है इन वेरियस डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज वी वर कंडक्टिंग. And this month is for raising awareness about importance of cyber security, promoting safe online practices, individuals, families, businesses, communities, सबको बचाते हुए. और इस साल का थीम क्या था? साइबर जागृत भारत. दैट मीन्स साइबर सेफ इंडिया. ओके, ये जो मंथ है इसकी शुरुआत 2004 में हुई थी बाय यूएस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होमलैंड सिक्योरिटी, एंड बट अभी हम लोग इसको कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. So you guys need to know this very well, that cyber security के cases this year has been on an increase. So it is the talk of the town whenever you're preparing for anything related to GK. Please keep cyber security in your head as well. Let's go to question number 16, everyone. Duty free tariff preference. Alison, the thing here is that when you have ticked it, like मुझे याद है exam के form में आपको tick करना रहता है. तो if you have already ticked it that you can take any of my scores, ZAT, CAT or XGMT, then they would take the highest automatically. Okay? No idea. कोई बात नहीं. That's the reason you are here. Which international organization or recognized India's duty-free tariff preference scheme for boosting exports from the poorest nations? Who would be responsible for it? Export import is a part of trade. Absolutely, it's a part of trade. So obviously, it is my answer. है ना? LDC क्या होता है? Anyone who knows the full form of LDC? We are looking for a scheme for boosting exports from LDC, least developed countries. Okay, इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? टू प्रमोट इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, टू डाइवर्सिफाई आवर एक्सपोर्ट्स, टू स्ट्रेंथन ट्रेड रिलेशंस ऑफ LDCs, and basically duty free access will allow the products from LDC to enter India without import duties. So the scheme will help the LDCs also to expand their trade and integrate into the global economy. तो हम उन पर एहसान कर रहे हैं basically. Okay? Okay. IMF तो कुछ फंड ही नहीं करता, उसके फंड्स खत्म हो गए. Question number 17. Which state government has introduced chess in school and college curriculum in October? अब चेस को स्कूल और कॉलेज के कैरिकुलम में ऐड कर दिया गया. थैंक गॉड आई एम पास्ट. I like chess though, but sometimes I don't. Goa, that's right. That's right. Okay, I promise this is the last question whose answer is Goa. Okay, in today's session. So, Chief Minister of Goa कौन है? इस बात पे let's change the question. Who is the Chief Minister of Goa? I've asked this before in my live session also. Dr. Pramod Sawant, okay, he announced that chess has been introduced into the school and college curriculum. Initiative hai kyun? To help students build confidence and develop strategic thinking skills and blah 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 blah. ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, चेस खेलना अच्छा होता है. Question number 18. What is the Lichiat that was recently seen in news? Again a static GK question but clearly mentioned है, it was recently seen in news. तो आपको मुझे बताना होगा कि ये leech word leeching से आ रहा है. Don't you feel so? Leeching. दीदी का अगला ड्रॉप गोवा. नहीं नहीं अत्तर, देखते हैं, पता नहीं. गोवा लगता है पार्टी एनिमल्स है, गुड बॉय बन रहा है. गुड बॉय. फीलिंग सैड फॉर ओडिशा टुडे. ओ पीयूष. Civil engineering topic. Good job. Many of you have given me the right answer. It's 18B only, a highly toxic liquid formed in the landfills. So again, why is it important for us? Dekho, it has been in news because of not just the Union Environment Ministry, but also because of various environmentalists, wildlife activists, and locals who have complained against the illegal discharge of toxic leachate into Aravali Hills. Okay, ये लीचियट क्या है? हाईली टॉक्सिक लिक्विड है, एज मेंशन्ड इन द आंसर ऑप्शन. ये कैसे हो रहा है, कैसे भर रहा है? ऑब्वियसली यू गाइस नो दैट एट द बॉटम ऑफ द लैंडफिल बहुत सारे पोल्यूटेंट्स होते हैं जो कि फैलते हैं बहुत बुरी तरह से. और लीचियट का प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि इट कैन पोल्यूट द soil and the groundwater directly, which can pose serious health risks to people living close by. So that's why it's an important issue. Question number 19. The Tihar festival is mainly celebrated in which country? Again, a very, very Instagrammable festival, guys. Very, very Instagrammable festival because it's very special. In this festival, we don't like they don't really worship deities. In fact, they worship dogs. It's a 5-day festival where in the second day of the festival called Kukur Tihar, they worship dogs. Okay, and they honor them with flower garlands. I'm not sure if I've seen such a video before. Yes, Nepal is the right answer, guys. Yes, Nepalis believe में dogs को ना messenger of Yamraj माना जाता है. So this ritual is performed to appease Yamraj and seek protection and blessings from him. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं मतलब तो है इंसान का. Honestly, people are selfish. Humans are selfish, I would say. But it still symbolizes respect for animals and bond between humans and dogs. Chalo, with this, let's come to question number 20. Which city has become the first in India to fully operationalize the real-time flood forecasting and spatial decision support system? Any guesses? Tushar, come on. मैं मेरी ट्रिप में गई थी. मेरी ट्रिप में मुझे ऐसा कहीं कोई खाने वाला आइटम नहीं मिला था जो मैंने सबसे सुना है. उससे ज्यादा घिनौना फूड मैंने थाईलैंड के स्ट्रीट्स में देखा है. दे लिटरली ईट एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. बट समहाउ शंघाई में आई डिड नॉट कम अक्रॉस सच स्ट्रीट फूड्स ऑल्सो जहाँ पे आई कुड बी सी वियर्ड मीट्स प्रेजेंट. मतलब नॉर्मल नॉर्मल जैसे थे. मे बी मुझे थाईलैंड देखने के बाद चाइना नॉर्मल लगा होगा. बट हाँ, नॉर्मल थे. ऐसे कुछ absurd नहीं था. द मोस्ट absurd थिंग आई सॉ वाज probably a snake or this crocodile meat. Okay, question number 20. So 20's right answer is Chennai, everyone. In October, Chennai, Tamil Nadu has become the first city in India to do this. Okay, and this system will predict and manage any sort of urban flood coming into their region. It's a very good project and पंजाब शुड डू इट. इस साल वहां आया था फ्लड, बट वही है, हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी थोड़ी धीरे धीरे आती है, बट एटलीस्ट आ तो रही है. इट्स अ गुड थिंग. क्वेश्चन 21. विच बैंक रिसीव्ड वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट कंज्यूमर बैंक अवार्ड फ्रॉम ग्लोबल फाइनेंस? बहुत मजा आने वाला है इसके आंसर के बारे में बात करने में हमें, बिकॉज वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मीम्स ऑन इट. Yeah, Chennai is the most flood prone area and a metro city at the same time. Correct. Yeah. Oh, right, Pratik. स्वर्ग तो सिर्फ दो ही लोग गए हैं, युधिष्ठिर एंड अ डॉग. Chocolate Scorpio. I have seen that also. Yeah, I'm not chocolate, but yeah, Scorpio for सेल, सेल फॉर मतलब ईटिंग वाला. इवन रेड ants, आई एम फुकेत. हाँ या some तो छोटे छोटे organisms were there, probably they were ants. एसबीआई मत बोलना. ओ ओ लंच के बाद आना तुषार. एग्जैक्टली, सी एवरीवन इज राइटिंग हियर. समीर, स्नेहदीप, अथर, बिल्कुल लंच के बाद आना. एंड उसमें भी वो लोग नहीं मिलेंगे. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर गाइस. इट्स आवर ओन अपना प्यारा स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. सो दिस हैज बीन अवॉर्डेड 2 awards, ओके, फ्रॉम ग्लोबल फाइनेंस. दो दो अवार्ड मिले हैं, वर्ल्ड बेस्ट कंज्यूमर बैंक का और बेस्ट बैंक इन इंडिया. ऑफ कोर्स अगर वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट है तो इंडिया का भी बेस्ट हो ही जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली. बट इमेजिन, see, the reason for this is 520 million customers. Hecking hell number. And that too adding 65,000 new customers every day. I mean, and somewhat they have adopted the digital first strategy also because of the Yono platform app, जो हर बार बस अपने पासवर्ड का नंबर चेंज करके खुद को बहुत स्मार्ट दिखाता है. But anyways, yeah, that's how it is. I also have an account in SBI, so I will not talk much about it. Question number 22. Which country has unveiled the world's fastest bullet train? This is easy, guys. CR 450. It's easy. आबादी ही इतनी है कि सब हो जाता है. Yes, correct. योनो never works. सीरियसली, मुझे तो लगा था मेरा फोन ही खराब हो गया है एक बार उस ऐप को यूज करने के चक्कर में. China is the right answer, everyone. World's fastest bullet train. Okay, this runs from Shanghai to Chongqing to Chengdu, and a very very high speed of 281 miles per hour. मजा आता होगा नहीं. एक्चुअली द थिंग इज कि आप जब हाई स्पीड ट्रेन में बैठते हो तो आपको अंदर कुछ फील नहीं होता. तो इट्स लाइक बेसिकली यू फील लाइक कहाँ चल रहा है, कुछ तो हो ही नहीं रहा है. आई मीन वी कैन इवन बैलेंस a coin on it. That's what I have seen other people doing on YouTube, like YouTube videos also. And trust me, बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलता है. So let's go. Question number 23. Which city has launched an awareness drive called Garbage Dumping Festival to discourage littering? This is one of the Indian cities. All the options are Indian cities only. So, yep, you know the answer. Then please let me know. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल boomer. वंदे भारत. अरे यार आजकल वंदे भारत भी लेट होने लगी है लिटरली. And people will blame the fog. Guys, don't forget to like the session. Namma Bangalore. Yes, that's the right answer. That वालों से एडमिट कार्ड तो मांगे होते. हाँ, जैट वालों से एडमिट कार्ड तो मैनेज होते नहीं है. उमंग यार, अब तो ये ट्रेडिशन हो गया है. लास्ट 3 ईयर से तो ये ट्रेडिशन है. इसके साथ अब अपने आप को अडेप्ट कर लीजिए, बस इसमें ही भलाई है. क्योंकि अब मैं खुद थक चुकी हूँ इस चीज से. GBA guys, the Greater Bangalore Authority has launched this awareness drive, okay, of course to discourage littering. वो तो question में ही mentioned है, तो let's not talk about it. But yeah, this initiative began in Banashankari, okay, and the people they only started it, and this became a statewide activity. So इस तरह से हमें कोई कोई कैंपेन स्टार्ट करने चाहिए, है ना. Question number 24. Okay, we finally have a movie reference here. Finally, we have a movie reference here. PDF कहाँ मिलेगा इसका और लास्ट मंथ का? प्लीज गाइड. अभिषेक, ये मैं किसी स्पेशल के बर्थडे पे शेयर करने वाली हूँ. Guys, you can tell Abhishek when will you guys get the PDF? By the way, this is also a notice for you people that because I have promised you that date, आज, कल और परसों. That is today we are doing October, tomorrow we will be doing November, and day after we will be doing December. Even if December is not over, don't worry, 2-4 कुछ important news आ जाएंगे तो उससे हम अपने static GK की क्लास में ले लेंगे, ठीक है. So I'll finish all the 12 months and would be releasing it. फिर Santa जी आएंगे, GK के PDFs देंगे. Yes, Priyasha will act like your Santa this time, and I'll be sending you the PDFs on Telegram on 25th. Yesu. I have also selected and saved a song for that. है ना, येसु का बर्थडे में you have very nice songs. So I will be doing it. sharing it to you on 25th. हाँ तो मूवी रेफरेंस लेकानेबा wait what लेकाने lecanemab lecanemab drug. This was recently seen in news to treat which disease? The answer is Sayara. And let's go to question number 25. I hope you got my point, right? Question number 25. Which district in Chhattisgarh has become India's first officially declared child marriage free district? हाँ वो तो मैं मानती हूँ अथर. दो तीन गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं बट मूवी मुझे भी पसंद नहीं आई. ऑनेस्टली मुझे पसंद नहीं आई. इट वाज आई एम नॉट अ फैन ऑफ स्लो मूवीज. ऑन सेकंड हाफ मोहित सूरी मूवीज आर लाइक स्लो. ओके एवरी सिंगल मूवी सैड एंड स्लो. वो तो होपफुली इसका एंडिंग अच्छा कर दिया उन्होंने. अदरवाइज सैड एंड स्लो का कॉम्बिनेशन मेरे को नहीं जमता है. लाइक लिटिल हैप्पी हैप्पी पर्सन. जब दुखी होना है लाइफ में तो ऑलरेडी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है. अब मूवीज थिएटर जाके भी मैं दुखी होके वापस आऊं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 everyone. It is Balod. Okay, Balod district is in Chhattisgarh and technically it has become India's first child marriage free district in India. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी चाइल्ड मैरिज फ्री इंडिया कैंपेन के अंडर ये अचीवमेंट निकाली गई है. ठीक है तो बेसिकली हाउ व्हाट डू यू थिंक led to this activity or this achievement? Collective efforts from administration, public representatives, Anganwadi, and community at a whole, I would say, is the major reason why this has been achieved. Okay, so this is really, really important. Question 26, everyone. What is the name of the campaign launched by Union Finance Minister to facilitate the settlement of unclaimed finance assets across India? I think I have done something similar or discussed something similar before also. मैं भी नहीं देखी सीरीज 8 से पहले धुरंधर देखो. मन नहीं कर रहा. मैं 2 बार देख चुकी हूँ. मैं तीसरे बार देखने जा रही हूँ. Okay. I love the movie, but the audience mad. Okay, made it far worse. Oh, the memes. You love the movie? Yeah, there exists. अमेदा थोड़े छोटे हो ना आप. थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाओ. प्यार मोहब्बत सबसे भरोसा उठ जाएगा. Sorry for that not so good advice. But question number 26. क्या लगता है पैसे से बात हो रही है ना. अनक्लेम्ड फाइनेंस एसेट तो जन धन सुरक्षा ना. आपकी पूंजी आपका अधिकार. यस अधिकार क्लेम राइट. हिंदी हिंदी गाइस प्लीज हिंदी की बुक निकालें अपनी पुरानी एंड गेट स्टार्टेड. आपकी पूंजी आपका अधिकार. हु इज I'm literally unhappy with the new tax structures and the new things coming up, but उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे. उसके बारे में हम अपने confident conversation वाले सेशन में बात करेंगे जहां हम current affairs पे चर्चा करेंगे and it will be a good session. I'll take it very soon after the exam. So Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, she launched the nationwide आपकी पूंजी आपका अधिकार campaign starting from Gujarat. The campaign aims to ensure speedy settlement of unclaimed finance assets across banks, insurance companies, pensions, stocks, mutual funds, सबसे. ठीक है बहुत सारे deposits ऐसे पड़े हुए हैं. Let's go question number 27. वैसे एक meme बताती हूँ. There's a recent meme where a person said that मैम आपका नाम निर्मल है निर्मला है बट आपके ऐसे न्यू जो रिफॉर्म्स है वो तो निर्मल नहीं लगते. Question 27. Rohan Bopana. Okay, a sports news finally, guys. अरे वेदा मित्रा आराम से आराम से. So I am not the only one who's crazy behind it. I believe. Yeah. Balod, Baloch, all same. Telegram link, Akshara, you will get the Telegram link right there in the description box. Just scroll below. You will see official Telegram. Okay. बिल्कुल नहीं है तुषार. I don't want to. Thank you. प्रोफेसर राम से भी भरोसा उठ गया. पीयूष पढ़ाई पूरी इंग्लिश में, काम पूरा हिंदी में, ले इंडिया. Tennis, oldest world number one. Yes, Athar, I wanted to take this up and you answered it. Thank you so much. He has been ranked world number one also. So Rohan Bopana is from tennis. Okay. He retired at the age of 45. His final match was at Paris Masters. Okay. Well, he's a very famous person. You can Google him. इन्हें पद्म श्री भी मिला है, right? If I'm not wrong. Just okay. Again, when you are googling someone, you don't have to go into the extreme depth of कहाँ क्या क्यों. Just look at the right hand side of your screen if you are doing using a desktop. Look at the right hand side where Wikipedia kind of summarizes it. Born when, what are the major titles, parents, spouse, वो वाला section. So just go through that section. That will be more than enough for you to know about any person. Okay. At least for example, exam perspective. Question number 28, everyone. Okay. थोड़ी historic questions भी ले लेते हैं. Arjuna Award and Padma Shri. Thank you, Samir, for adding. Hmm. Okay. B, 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 B. No, it's not B. अरे T से T-shaped pillar. T से turkey. I know it's a stupid way of remembering it, but why not? Stupid things help sometimes. So Turkey is the right answer, everyone. 12,000-year-old pillar मिला है जिसके ऊपर एक human face carved है. मतलब हमें लगता है कि हम बहुत smart है, but imagine 12,000 years ago someone was carving something. No, no, no. That will not be appropriate to say here. Question number 29. What is the main objective behind declaring the Southern Ridge as a reserved forest in Delhi? The answer here is again you will clap for. Yes, absolutely, Athar. What else can be the reason? Delhi is concerned about this only right now. Exactly. Guys, change your answers. Now, yeah, now you guys are giving me the right answers. Okay, good. Piyush, सोच लो यार. Think about it again before you answer. दिल्ली को बस pollution से problem है. So pollution के लिए उन्होंने इस area को ही reserved forest declare कर दिया है. It's a 41 square kilometer area. And who is the Delhi's chief minister now? Who is Delhi's chief minister now? We just got to know that a shark called Greenland shark lived for 500 years. Oh wow, and one is still alive. Wow, 396 years old. Wow. I wish my sharks also stay up to these many years. Rekha Gupta. Very good. Thank you so much, everyone. This is important. Okay, so this entire thing is not important for us to very much discuss. You guys know that the priority is to make Delhi a modern, pollution-free, green, environment-friendly capital. Fine, good. We should do that. Question number 30. Second last question of the day, because the last question of the day is already known to you people. International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is observed every year on which day? अरे यार इसमें तो मेरे फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है ही नहीं. Shit. ये बर्थडे तो मेरे फ्रेंड के बर्थडे के दिन होना चाहिए था. इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर इरेडिकेशन ऑफ पॉवर्टी इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन अक्टूबर 17. ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स व्हिच यू नीड टू नो हियर, that the United Nations Development Program, जिसको अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा था, one of the answers above, UNDP, they renew its commitment to eradicate poverty and promote shared prosperity throughout. Okay, and 2025 में जो मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स होती है MPI, that is actually conducted by UNDP and Oxford Poverty and Human Development Index. उन्होंने इस साल बताया है कि 887 million poor people, that is around 80%, face at least one major climate hazard also because of their poverty. They cannot actually treat their malnutrition due to that as well. So that's the problem. That's why it was in news. All right. And with this, we come to the last question. How was the session, guys?